Your handle strip measures 2.5 inches by 14 inches, and your trim your quilted top to 14 inches by 16 inches, and your lining 13.5 inches by 15.5 inches. Get to your handle fabric, fold it into half, and fold the half at a 1/4 inch, and then fold all over again to get a 1 inch strip. Press it well, and it should look something like this. It should look something like this. Go to your machine and stitch 1/8 of an inch seam allowance on both the sides of the strip. Cut it into two to get two handles. Join right sides together of the quilted fabric on the short side and also of the lining. Sew the short sides together so that you will have the top opening of both the quilted and the lining fabric. Now we are going to box it. So on the two corners of the quilted fabric, draw a box measuring 3 inches from the side, and top to bottom is 2.75 inches. Do this to the other side also. It is not a square because we are using the 1/4 inch seam allowance on the side. The measurement for the lining will be 2.75 inches to 2.5 inches. Go ahead and cut the drawn lines with a pair of sharp scissors. Pinch and add wonder clips to secure the sewing line. Open the seams, hold it with the wonder clip, and sew a 1/4 inch on both the sides to create a boxed effect. Do the same to the lining fabric. We will prepare the outer flap, which is 5 inches by 27 inches. Join the short sides together. Open the seam and fold it into half all along the tube. Measure 1.5 inches from both the sides of the inner fabric to place the handles. Take the center of the handle and place it on the marked line on both the sides of the box. Place the folded fabric of the flap, and from one corner to other corner, from one side to the other side, stretch it so that you divide it into half, and then place it along in the center of this stitch with the wonder clip, and then place the clips all around the outer raw edge of the bucket. Make sure that it is all well and no creases and no frills, and they're all aligned very well. Take some time to do this so that it fits correctly. And go ahead and stitch a 1/4 inch seam to secure all of them, which will be the final stage of the construction. turn it around and your flap and your bucket is almost done. If you want the handles to stand out, turn it over where the flap was sewn and sew it along the seam allowance of the flap with the handle, and fold it again and the handles will pop out. You have finished successfully a very nice tub which you can gift.